everybody, and today I'll be doing another Roblox video with BeneratorGamer, and we will be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Let's do this. Alright, so it looks like the first one is a little, oh my god, you have like super bounce. You have to reach
I died.
the end.
I died. I fell in the quicksand. Alright, that's quicksand, okay? Don't go in there.
Okay, yeah, that's good to know.
Alright, alright.
Oh, I
think
almost just fell. I just fell in the quicksand, no! Oh, I thought my rain would save me. Oh, there's checkpoint, and I just fell back in the quicksand. No! Oh my god.
I was running to it and the checkpoint.
This is so hard because you can't control the bounce.
Yeah.
So just constantly. Oh, nice. Alright, let's reach this. Come on. No! I was at the end! No! Come on. No! No! No, man.
Yeah.
Get your team ball to the end and win. Okay, I'm team blue.
I'm team red.
Come on. Oh, our own teammate is sabotaging us. No. Come on.
Go this way.
Come on. No, our teammates are sabotaging us. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, let's go.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm coming to your side.
Vacation.
Let's go in the beach. Let's go on the ocean.
I'm gonna drink
in the water.
soda.
Wait, don't go in the water, okay? Don't go in the water.
I will. It's gonna be fun.
No, actually don't.
Okay. Apparently the water is very, very deep. Do
It's
not go
apparently
in
it
it.
talks.
You understand me, Ben?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
Totally
you're
not.
small. You're a child.
Yes.
Alright.
I can't swim. Wow.
No?
I keep falling. I'm jumping in one more time.
No, Ben. No, my child, you cannot jump in. How dare you jump in?
Where are we?
Oh, it's like a 3D motion thing. Oh, this is weird.
This is not fair. I'm on keyboard and mouse.
Yeah, so am I. Oh my god. How do I get up? Oh, you just gotta hold the jump button. Oh my god, it's almost impossible. There we go, I got to the top. Let's go. I'm gonna drink some tea or no, I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna drink. Alright, here we go. Cloudy. No! He just knocked me off. How dare you? Ben, come on. You gotta get to the top.
That's because.
No! I thought that actually may have just killed me. Alright, push the ice orb off the lobby. Come on. No, get off of it. Yes!
Yes!
Finally.
Oh god.
Survive the fire rings. Wait.
What are we supposed to do?
Jump! Oh wait, where are the fire rings? Oh wait, no, never mind, don't jump. I have no idea. Oh my god.
Right there.
Oh, this is like, do you remember Super Mario Odyssey? This is like Super Mario Odyssey. Literally.
Yeah, it is. Wait. Oh yeah, I actually remember that. I think we're on like the moon, is that right?
Uh-oh. It's double. Oh god. Oh, no. Oh, I almost just died.
I almost just died. Wait,
That's
we're the only ones left.
Ow. How am I dying? Come on, Ben, we got this. It's so easy.
They were only
piece of cake. Oh, I thought I actually may have just died.
Oh no.
don't
You
get
can't be
cooked.
grilled.
Why do I have a big head? No, 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 no. I don't want to be grilled. I cannot be grilled today. I don't like to. It hurts me. And it hurts everybody, I think, actually. My rain. Will my rain help them? I think we're safe here. Honestly, yeah, I think we're safe here. And I think we know we're safe here. It hasn't happened. It only happened. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, hot, hot, hot.
No, yes.
Watch out.
What's
What
happening?
does it mean, watch out?
Oh god.
Oh god. Oh god. No.
Oh god.
Oh my god, that was so
I'm gonna
close.
make it to the top.
Ow. That just
Ow.
killed me. Literally, ouch. Reach the top of what? Reach the
Where's
top of
the
what?
top?
Oh,
How do we get up there?
you just jump.
Oh. Oh, I thought the jump was like, whoa.
This is so hard. No, 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 no. Oh, I thought I actually may have not made that. We jumped so high. Like sometimes, how high does this go? Oh my god.
Realize how we'd be dead. Don't look up. Oh, yeah, don't look up. Don't look up. Don't look up. Yeah.
Dodge the lasers. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Where are the lasers gonna be?
Oh, no, no, that's where they're gonna be.
Oh.
Oh, and, oh, well, at least we know it's one shot. So, don't mess up.
Don't touch the ones.
Oh, that person. Oh, I thought, yeah, that's what I thought. Here, maybe some rain can help us. Maybe some rain can.
Yeah, maybe some rain. Yeah, it didn't help at all.
Yeah, no, it did not. Oh god, I do not want to die. Oh god, I'm so gonna die. Oh, there's a spin. Oh god. Ah! I just randomly jumped and I survived. Oh my god. If you guys saw that.
Into a mysterious cave. Okay. I will never die.
This is so sketchy. Well, I'm going in. Who cares? Oh god. Oh god. There's a rolling boulder.
Where?
Here. Nope, you cannot go there.
Oh.
Just stay here. Hide. Run.
What? How am I supposed to get up there?
By not dying. There we go. I got it. Oh wow, that was so easy. Then I did not almost die from that. Can I spin the wheel? One shot. What can you get?
I made it.
How much does a rainbow? They cost 15,000. Oh my god.
Spit. Wait, what?
It costs 15,000.
How? Why?
Hello.
Oh.
Oh my god, we're
Dinos?
dinos! Why are we dinos?
Rawr. Rawr, feisty.
Alright, come on. Get to the finish line.
We're all dinos.
Gotta go fast. Bum, bum. I gotta go fast.
It's like speedrun 4.
Come on. Gotta go fast. Come on. Hiya, hiya, hiya.
No!
I made every jump.
I died.
Let's go. I did it.
Yeah, I made it to the end.
So did I. I'm gonna do it again. Come on. No, no! That just so killed me. Why am I still a dino though?
Get on the
What?
pillars, get on the pillars.
Did I just teleported. I literally just teleported.
Why? It's just me.
I
It's
actually
me,
just
person.
teleported. I was about to get on the pillars, but it just teleported me. That was so weird. If you guys are watching my POV, you'll see how weird that is.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch this.
Why did that even happen? That was so glitched. There we go. There's some rain there.
Make
Never
it
seen
rain.
Some rain.
I'm jumping
the side
off.
of the
Bye.
mountain. No! Ben, I'm coming to save you! Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
No! Ben, I have a big head! Ben, do you want to see how big of a head I have? Look at how big of a head I have. Watch.
Oh my god.
I have a big head.
Yeah.
Without jumping? Wait, what? Oh, I thought that was impossible. Okay, that was about to be impossible. Oh wait, that's so scary. Dang it. Ben, why are you so short?
I'm a kid.
Thought I was about to die. Oh, come on. Ben, bye. Oh my god, that was so close.
Hey.
It's about to rain
What do I
on
get?
us.
It's a skip. Oh no. Sad times.
Sad time.
Sad.
Head.
Sad times.
Look at my big head. Go.
Yeah.
Enter the castle. Why is it always such sketchy things?
Look at me, I have a flower on my head. I have flowers on my head.
Reach the other side of the bridge. Oh, it's so icy. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I died.
This is impossible. No, I already died. No. That is so hard. I need a big head for this. This requires big head time.
How do you get a big head?
Here, watch. Big head incoming.
Wait, how do you have one?
It's a soda thing. It's a soda.
No.
Come on. No. Please no. Thank you. No. Come on. There we go. Snowing, but also raining. That is so weird. Oh my god, it's snowing and raining. Oh, come on. Oh wait, I have flowers on me. Why do I have... Oh wait.
Yeah.
Oh, the rain puts flowers on you. Look. Here, look. I'm gonna put a cloud. Just let me have a big head. Oh my god, Ben, why do I see two of you?
What the heck?
Look. Oh
why is there two of me?
Why?
Hey, bro, that's me. Hey,
look, if you stand under, stand under this. Stand under the rain.
Okay.
I'm growing flowers. I'm growing flowers on my body.
Well, why is there me?
I have no idea. Find a cyan can. Come on. Where's the cyan can? I think we just wasted most of our time. Find a bright yellow star.
I found it.
There we go.
What? I found it.
I found it first. Ew.
What's happening? Who sharded?
What? I didn't even hear anything. What happened? Hot. Maybe some rain will help. Rain will help. Come on. Get to the water. I really wish that would have worked. I got flowers growing on me. Color the most amount of tiles. Come on. No. My color only. And I say my color only. Come on. on, Ben.
Okay, now. Let's go, I got third.
I'm in first. Reach the
Reach
mountaintop. Okay, I'm gonna put some rain. So if whoever wants some rain can have some rain.
Bro, it's just cheaters.
Yeah,
Cheaters.
how did we just say the same thing at the same time? We just both
I
said
don't know.
cheaters.
But after this round, I'm ending my video.
Yeah, same. I think after this, we're gonna end it off.
Well,
There's some frozen people in there.
yeah.
Come on, come on. You are frozen for not listening. Come on. Big head time. Come on. This is gonna be too easy. There's a spike cave though. This was actually easy. Way easier than I thought. I thought there would be more challenges. Okay, well,
I'm in the spike cave.
I'm at the top.
I found flowers.
Yeah, I know, those are my flowers I had put down. Alright,
That's
well,
more cool.
I think we're gonna end the video here.
Yep, well, yeah. I mean, alright, let's continue in this one. Bye-bye.
Alright, bye.